Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect your Apple Watch to Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Strava application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up your App Store and search for the Strava application. From there you can find it and install it to your mobile phone. So once you have downloaded, now we can get started opening it up. Go ahead and open up Strava, and after doing so you can go ahead and log into your account where you want to synchronize all your activities and that you want to connect to your Apple Watch. So once you're logged in, you are going to go and be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with tracking all our activities. We hit the home page, maps, and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how we can get started connecting our Apple Watch. Basically it's very easy. What you want to do is click right here in the upper left corner on our profile picture. By clicking on our profile picture, it's going to enable us to go ahead and open up the settings of our account. So in the upper right corner, you want to click on the gear icon. That's going to open up the settings. And now guys, in this settings menu, as you can see, we have one of the first options we can take a look at is connect an app or a device. Clicking this is going to enable you to select what kind of device you want to connect and what kind of app you want to connect. As you can see here, you have the Apple Watch. Using this, you can get started with connecting your device, and now you can go ahead and get started setting it up and filling out all your information. So turn on your watch, download Strava on your watch, and get started following the steps on how to connect it to you. And basically this is how you can do so and get started tracking your activities. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.